Friends, welcome back to At Home with Lady Cinnamon. I'm super excited today to be bringing you some really cute signs that you can make with items from the Dollar Tree. And guys, they look so amazing and high-end and just really pretty neutral colors, and we're going to get right into it. So I picked up a leaf and also an acorn and some of those seasonal signs in the shape of a square. I simply painted everything out as far as the leaves and the signs in a coat of white. Now for the signs, I'm going to be using that as a base coat and going back over it with another color. But I'm going to be using this as a base coat because I turned this over to the brown side or the side that doesn't have the decor on it. And I'll just cover that up later to make it look a little bit more finished. And after one coat of this, I went in with some truffle. You can pick that up from any either online or any craft store. I got mine from Walmart, but it's made from Waverly. It's a really pretty earthy color. I'm mixing it with the white right now to give it a little bit more of sort of not just a flat color, but a little bit more movement in the paint. Once this dried, I went back with just another coat, and I love the way it looks. Now that everything is completely dry, I'm going to take me a ruler and a little bit of like sort of, if you have something in the way of a box cutter or something to score this. That's all you're going to be doing. I'm using the ruler to make sure it's a straight edge. I'm going to hold it in place and I'm going to go ahead and just score it. You don't have to do it super hard. Just make sure that you have something like this pad that I have for making my crafts with, that you're not going to ruin your table or your countertop, just to be cautious, if you will. And I'm just going to score this. Once you score it, you only have to do it maybe once. As you know, these are sort of thin. You can easily just go ahead and break it in half. Just make sure when you score it from one end to the other. Now, if you have any of this left over, all you have to do is take one of your pinking, a little bit of you could probably pull it off with your finger, but I chose to cut mine off just to get a very, very straight edge. Now you can see how I'm going to be placing this down. I have my hot glue already, and I'm going to be making a seasonal sign with this, one with the leaf, one with the acorn. But you can see how beautiful that deep truffle gives you that color with the contrast of the white. And it's such a beautiful neutral color when you put these two together. It really pops. I'm adding a generous amount of hot glue. I'm just going to line up my edge when I place this back down. Make sure if you're going to duplicate this quick, easy DIY that you don't put the glue on the very edges. You don't want it to seep out, but just sort of put it evenly around and just press it in place. You can either have the whole leaf or a portion. I think the portion of the leaf just makes it look a little bit more high-end, as if you got it from Kirkland's or something. So I'm going with some dowels. I was thinking about maybe making it or framing it, and I chose not to because like this, it's really not popping. So I went to put this on just the bottom so it can stand up, and then also on the top, and it's really showing off the contrast. If I had the framing on both sides, it really wouldn't pop as well, and I absolutely love the way this looks. And just to finish this look off, guys, I went to the back, painted that in just a solid color to really give it a finished look. I'm doing the same process with my acorn. I've already painted it, I've scored it, and now I'm ready to apply it to that same truffle colored backing. I'm making a pair of these. It's sort of like when you were to purchase one of these sets from a Kirkland's or a Pottery Barn or even Amazon, somewhere, a craft store where they may have one or two of the same items but with a slight difference. And guys, I think they turned out amazing. I think they look high end it looks like something that you would purchase and not something that you would necessarily craft. And that's what you want to go for when you're making crafts for your home. You want them to look a little high end. You want them to look like you would have purchased them in a store and not just something that you made. So I just absolutely love the way these turned out. Guys, if you like these also, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out. It allows others to find me. Hit the bell twice when you subscribe so you'll know whenever I upload a new video. I'm going to be coming back with more decor videos of the home and what I'm doing for the fall, and I'm super excited. So I hope to see you guys there, and thank you all for watching.